What's going on, guys? You can't tell, but I have 6 of the new FX1 clippers, trimmers, the whole set from Babyliss. And today we're gonna be checking out the gold ones. So make sure you guys are subscribed if you wanna see the low pros and the black trimmer. But in this video, we're gonna check out the clipper, the trimmer, and the shaver. You guys may have seen my short snippet video just testing these out, but I didn't have the boxes. So today we have the boxes. We're gonna check them out. We're gonna open them up. We're gonna test them out in this video. So let's not waste any time and get right to it. So basically, guys, this is a Gold FX. Not so much different than the traditional Gold FX, but you see the logo in the corner. That signifies that it is the FX1. You can see on the side, FX1, 1 battery, unlimited tools. You can kind of see a diagram here showing the battery going up into all 5 tools. And we do have some stuff on the side here, but I'm sure all of this is on the back. So we'll go ahead and check out the back. Gold FX, all metal, interchangeable battery clipper, new titanium, metal injection molded MIM fade blade. So I don't love the fade blade, but this is the MIM fade blade. So we haven't seen the gold one yet. Again, if you guys saw the low pro video, you've seen the blue one, but this has a gold one on it. I'm super excited about that. New N1 brushless motor with 6,800 RPMs. New interchangeable lithium battery pack, up to 2.5 hours of runtime. Button for quick battery release and 4-stage LED ring battery indicator. It does have the 5-to-10 locking stretch taper arm. New and improved all metal housing. Has a ergonomic finger rest, removable hair pocket door, just like the Snap FX, and it does have the Neural metal barbell grip. New tapered end cap with hidden hanging hook. I'm gonna show you guys, that's pretty cool. Includes dual voltage charging base and battery and 6 comb attachments. So anyway, guys, let's go ahead and get this thing out. All right, there's the clipper. There's our dock. There's the battery. All right, so we'll check this stuff out in a second. Let's see what is in the box. We do have, looks like, some premium guards. Oh, that's the blade cover and the 1, 1.5, and the 2, the 3, and the 4. So is there not a half guard? It might be hiding in here somewhere. Yeah, it's in here with the 1. You have a clipper brush, clipper oil. Here is the dock for the cord, and it is a USB-C charger. And then we have an extra cam follower because you know that these things like to get loud. So let's go ahead and throw all this back in there. I am already using premium guards, so we won't need those. And here it is, guys. So this is the charging dock. If you didn't see it already, the USB-C cord will plug into the back or the standard Babyliss cord. Here's the battery. Just place it down in there and it will charge. And you guys notice I clicked the button and it's blinking red at me. So it is totally dead. We're gonna have to charge it up before we try it out. Place the arrow. There's an arrow there, arrow here. Click it in and it's good to go. So you guys can see, man, these things feel so quality. Pretty similar to your standard Gold FX, all shiny gold. Got a little sticker here we'll take off. This is the beveled end that they were talking about. So it kind of tapers in. It's not straight down like the old one. We do have the clicks, and this is extended like the new low pros. So I'm super hype about that. It says FX1 right there on the side. I don't know if you guys can see it in black. The Babyliss plate on the top, power switch right here. Let's go ahead and get this off of here. Get these stickers off of my brand new clipper. On the back, you guys can see a little indentation. I don't even know if you can see it, but there is a little indentation right here for your finger when you're holding it. And here is the MIM gold blade. Guys, holy cow, that thing is sick. I wasn't sure what blade was gonna come on this. I was hoping it wasn't just a gold fade blade, and then I thought maybe they'll put the MIM blade on it. So there it is. Guys, the red button is gonna eject the battery, pull it out, put it back in. So that is the Gold FX FX1 edition. But let's go ahead and check out the trimmer. All right, we'll move through this a little quicker. Same thing here on the front, same thing on the side. Check out some of these. I got a little dent in my box, guys. It went through hell trying to get to me. So same thing, Gold FX, all metal, interchangeable battery trimmer. It does have the ultra thin DLC titanium standard tooth. Hypoallergenic, high strength, low blade temperature. Has the N1 brushless motor, again, 7,200 RPMs. 3 hours of runtime on the battery, the ergonomic finger rest, the hair pocket door, and the Neural metal barbell grip. And guys, I forgot to even show you on the clipper, but that is the cover that comes off so you guys can clean up underneath. And the trimmer has it as well. So not much in here, guys. We do have the instruction manual and a sticker, and we do have, I would imagine this is the charging cord, clipper oil and a brush, blade cover. We have the zero gapping tool that comes with all the skeletons, a screwdriver, an extra cam follower, and the cord and the dock. Throw the battery in, let's see. Oh, this one's blue. We got 75%. So you guys can see there are 4, well, you can't tell, but that's 3. 1 missing, so there's 4 things. So that tells us it is 75% charged. So similar here, guys, same gold, Babyliss Pro, power switch, FX1 on the side. Does have the removable cover as well, so you guys can really skeleton this thing and get all the hair out from underneath. beveled in. I forgot to show you guys, it does have the hidden hanging hook, so you guys can hang your clippers if you like that. I do not, but man, that thing is zero gapped. Holy cow, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it is super zero. I thought it was actually overset. We're gonna have to test that ththing out. So pretty much the same thing, Gold FX FX707Z, guys. So that is the original blade, at least the same numbers. It does say DLC, so I'm not really sure, but if it's the original blade, I'm happy with it. So finger grip on the back, just like the clipper, and that's our trimmer. So that battery was dead, but the cool thing, guys, let's go ahead and listen to the trimmer. Oh yeah. It kind of has that old Gold FX purr, but a little bit quieter. And because this battery is charged, we can just take it out, take the clipper battery out, throw this in here. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Tell me the last time you guys heard an FX clipper that you could talk over and still hear. Silent click lever, super quiet clipper. Wow, I'm actually super impressed. So guys, I had the Low Pro, the black trimmer, and the shaver. So I have not even held this yet or heard it or anything, and I am shocked at how quiet this thing is. So anyway, let's go ahead, put these up, and check out the shaver. So same thing, brushless motor, 10,000 RPMs, 4 hours of runtime for the shaver. It does have a pivoting head I will show you guys in a minute. Hypoallergenic gold titanium foils, dual cutting blades, same grip, same end cap with the hanging hook and the charging base and all that. So if you didn't see my other video, when I first saw this shaver, I'm a creature of habit. If you guys are new to the channel, I like what I like. I have some strong opinions about some things that I don't like. And a lot of the time I can tell you from the get-go if I'm not gonna like something. So I saw the shaver and immediately didn't think I would like it. And I will tell you guys, I've been using it ever since I got it. And it's all that I use. So we'll get back to that in a minute. So not much in here, guys. Charging cord and the brick. Like I said, we're gonna need those. We have a clipper brush and the instruction manual and the Babyliss sticker. All right, so number 3, here's the shaver. We know that that battery is dead. I just clicked it and go ahead and grab the one that was good. So same battery, guys, in all 3 tools. You saw me just swap it amongst all 3. Good to go. So here is our shaver head cover. You guys can see dual foils. Let me see, we'll unlock the back. You guys see you got a little bit of wiggle on the shaver. So not really as much as I've seen some of these, handled dual head shavers where it can kind of maneuver around the face. That's kind of what it's for, or around the head, but it does swivel a little bit. You guys can flip the switch and now it's stationary. So pretty much just like the skeleton. If you guys pay attention, it is identical to the skeleton from about this little ridge and down. So exactly the same height, exactly the same shape. Power switch, FX1 logo. This thing is tapered in as well with the hanging hook. Here's the little lock on the back to lock the swivel head, battery eject button, and that's pretty much it. I think you just pull this off. Yep, we can clean underneath, snap it back on. And like I said, guys, this thing is super impressive. Turn it on and let you guys hear it real quick. She's humming. I tell you what, guys, they all sound brand new and super powerful. So I'm gonna go set the docks up. We're gonna go ahead and charge the batteries up. And as soon as I get to it, we'll do some haircuts with this entire gold bundle and see what they're really all about. All right, guys, we got Uncle Phil in the chair. It's been a while. I just cut his top. We're gonna be testing out the gold FX1s today. I'm gonna start with the number 4. We're just gonna feed up into the top. Go ahead and clear the sides down. We'll come in and do a bald fade. We're gonna do a little design. I can't wait for you guys to see how amazing these trimmers are. All right, guys, so one of the first things I like to do, I like to come off of his hairline where we do his kind of cropped in the front, and we're gonna do a part following the shape of the haircut along the weight line down to the back. So somewhere like right here. I want you guys to see, I'm gonna stop talking and let you guys listen to these trimmers. But watch how these things cut and listen to this crunch. So you guys can see the line in there, super sharp. I'm gonna come in and touch it up after, but I wanna get some of this hair out of the way first. So we're gonna go ahead and work on the fade and then we'll polish up the line last. I'm starting off with a 1.5. That's what I like to do on this haircut for Philip, right underneath the part line. Just kind of connect into the weight that's right above it, and then we'll come in underneath and start our ball guide line and do our fade. Now those trimmers are so sharp that I'm gonna actually punch my line in with the clipper, which I usually really don't do, but those are so sharp I know the line's not gonna come out if I use the trimmer. So we're just gonna punch the line in with this clipper. And again, this is the MIM blade. It does zero gap pretty close, so this is gonna be pretty close, similar to a trimmer that's not very sharp. And then we'll just bald out a little bit, come in underneath with the sharp trimmer and go ahead and bald this out the rest of the way. All right guys, so this is the new kind of skeleton handle, or I guess the skeleton's up top, but same as the skeleton trimmer handle with a double foil on top. And one thing I like, guys, is with the handle, I can hold it way out here and I can get behind the ear without having my finger all up in the ear space trying to get it balded out. So when I first saw this, I did not think I was gonna like it. Now I've used it for a little while. You guys can hear it crunch. Pretty effortless, and I'm definitely loving this combo altogether. So now we'll come in and start our fade. We're gonna do an open section at the bottom, just like any other fade. And this is the MIM blade. So it's kind of like a fade blade. It has the grooves on it, a little bit shorter than the taper blade that I usually use on my FX, but I have been using it on that low pro that I was using there for a while. Cuts super well, you guys can hear it crunching. So we'll do clipper close at the bottom. One of my favorite things about this MIM blade is it will take out a bald line. Now I wouldn't really use that super sharp trimmer because it's a little too sharp, but this will take out kind of a standard bald line. Now the second notch, but these things cut so well. And if you guys have seen the channel before, I don't traditionally fade with the FX clipper. I would prefer the low pro, but obviously we're testing it in this video, so I wanted to do the whole haircut with it. Now this is an open one. We're gonna flick out right into the 1.5 at the top of this section, and then just blend our way down until we clean this up and are happy with how it looks. They're almost so quiet, you don't even feel like you're cutting anything. Now the clipper closed. Last but not least, the half guard halfway open. We'll just tie all this together and then we can continue detailing if we're not happy with some of this. I am gonna do the other side with the low pros, guys, so stay tuned. That will be the next video that I drop. If you guys wanna see the low pro FX1s, I'm gonna do basically the same haircut. No part on the other side, but same haircut. I do have the FX1 low pro clipper and trimmer, so we'll be checking that out next. If you guys aren't subscribed and you're here for some Babyliss content, make sure you guys hit that button. I'm gonna go ahead and continue to detail this side, let you guys see it as we do it. You guys can check out the finished product, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. Not final thoughts, because I'm gonna continue using these, but tell you guys what I really think about these when we get done. All right guys, that is it for my unboxing and review on the brand new FX1 Gold FX. Go ahead and start off by talking about the clipper first, guys. You heard in the video, absolutely the best FX clipper to date. I love the boost. I've had the custom FX forever. A lot of awesome FXs to choose from. This is definitely the best. It has the benefits from the snap. It has the snap off cover that you can clean up inside of there. The new FX1 battery system is unreal. Obviously this battery fits any of the three. Now they all have their own battery, but if you had to, if you ran out, you could pop this out, throw it in the trimmer and finish the haircut. This new MIM blade, guys, is just next level. Absolutely my favorite. If you've been watching the channel forever, I do like the JRL Fade blade, the Gamma Vapor blade or Fusion blade. You guys know those have been my favorite blades forever, and this is very similar. So definitely excited to have that on this clipper. The new motor in here is absolutely improved. Like I said, these things are super quiet. You guys can barely hear them at all. Compared to the old FX, that is a great improvement. Now the skeleton, same idea, guys. Pretty similar to the original, just looking at it right here, but it absolutely hits like crazy. One of the sharpest trimmers that I have ever used. Same thing here, it takes the same battery, so you have the battery out charging. So like I just said, I could take the battery out of the clipper and throw it in here. It does have that shield cover as well, so you guys can clean up underneath. And the blade is the original Gold FX blade that we all love so much. Runs super quiet, definitely a little bit quieter and smoother than the original FX trimmers. So I have nothing but positive things to say about the trimmer as well. And last but not least, guys, the Gold Shaver. I don't even know what to call this. It is the trimmer handle, but the dual head foil on the top. And like I said, if you heard in the video, I did not think I was gonna like this thing at all when I saw it. I kind of already wrote it off that I wasn't gonna like it, but after using it for a while, for one, it's super powerful, it cuts super well, awesome crunch sound. I haven't really used the swivel head. I think we talked about that in the beginning. I don't really use the swivel head because I've never had it before. Maybe for shaving a face or a head, it may come in handy, but I don't really use it. But the skeleton handle or the trimmer handle, like I said, makes it nice to go around the ear and smaller, hard to get places. And again, guys, the battery works from any of the other tools that I have, and that is super nice. So with all of that being said, guys, this is absolutely one of the best, most quality sets of clippers that I have ever used, alongside the Low Pros that I'm going to show you guys in my next video. So make sure you guys are subscribed so you can check that out when it drops. Now, if you guys want to check out the FX1s, the Gold FX bundle, or the Low Pros, head to BabylessPro.com. I have a link in the description if you guys want to check them out. They dropped November 1st, so you guys can get your hands on them now. And I'm telling you, you will not be let down if you guys pick these up. I hope you love them as much as I do. You guys will definitely be seeing them moving forward on the channel. Now, if you guys can't wait and you want to check out the Low Pro or the Black FX trimmer, make sure you guys click right here and check out my first video I did when I was testing out the prototypes. The new ones are even better, but make sure you guys check that one out before the Low Pro video drops.